Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You'll begin by launching Zoom and signing in. Choose email, Google, or SSO so your account settings sync. Next, open Settings and test camera, microphone, and speaker. Select the correct device from each dropdown. Once done, verify system privacy permissions, allow Zoom to use camera and mic, and make sure your laptop is plugged in or on reliable Wi-Fi. These first steps stop common join failures and ensure your audio and video work before you enter any meeting. You join by clicking the meeting link or entering the meeting ID and passcode. If your calendar is linked, click the event. Once in, learn the toolbar. Mute/unmute quickly with the spacebar momentary mute. Start or stop video. Open participants to raise hands or rename yourself. Use chat for text, and share screen to present. For viewing, toggle speaker or gallery view and pin a video if you need to focus on one person. These controls let you participate smoothly and present confidently. To finish, click Leave Meeting or End Meeting if you're the host. Confirm the action. Afterward, open settings to fine-tune background, virtual background, video quality, audio processing, and bandwidth limits so future calls run smoother. If problems occur, try simple fixes. Restart the Zoom app, reselect your camera and mic in settings, reboot the laptop, or temporarily disable VPN and firewall rules that block ports. If audio or video still fails, join from the browser client as a quick alternative.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.